Pioneer's AV receivers are powerful multitasking machines, and there's a lot of processing going on behind the scenes as you enjoy that movie or listen to that new album you just got. But not all content you're playing back requires your AV receiver to be working its hardest. In fact, some content demands very little from your receiver. What if it could vary its power consumption depending on the content you're enjoying? Think of it like a modern car's engine that's capable of turning off cylinders when it's just cruising. With an all-new feature called Eco Mode, this varying power consumption is now possible from your receiver. Available in every single model in Pioneer's 2013 lineup, Eco Mode analyzes the power being used to drive your content and will automatically vary power consumption depending on what's playing back. One of the great things about Eco Mode is it can all be managed from Pioneer's apps for iOS and Android devices. For my ControlApp 2013, for example, simply tap the leaf icon from the main screen to access the Eco Manager. As you can see, it's organized into three main stages: during playback, at standby, and when not in use. During playback, you have the option of selecting one of two preset modes. Eco Mode 1 is designed for content with more consistent power requirements, like music. Eco Mode 2 is for more dynamic content, like movies and TV programming. At standby, there are three different settings depending on how aggressive you want your power saving settings to be when your receiver is in standby. The minimum setting allows network standby, HDMI control, and HDMI standby through to be on, or off if you prefer. The medium setting defaults to network standby on, but HDMI control and standby through are turned off. Maximum has all of these standby features turned off for the most aggressive power savings while in standby. When not in use, Eco Mode also lets you adjust the time before the receiver will automatically power off when not receiving a signal. You can set these time limits for your main living room zone, and if you've got the receiver powering other zones, you can adjust the auto power off times for these zones as well. With Eco Mode, it's nice to know that your receiver is consuming only the power that it needs to get the job done.